Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. This is actually the third of 4 of the premium box sets videos I'm doing, but I'm a little out of order. I did the first one several months ago. I've done the third one, I think a week or two ago. There's Edith, you guys can say hi to Edith, the dachshund, the famous dachshund. She's out exploring for the first time in the backyard in a while because we actually have some sun, and Edith will not come out if there's no sun. So we'll watch her explore. Anyway, I've got actually now via Mattel the second box set sent over by Mattel, of course, and I actually still have it in the box it came in because while we're going to see what's inside, and I think everyone knows what's inside, like I said, this is the second mix, not the third, which we've already showcased, but this one took a massive hit on the way to my house, I believe. And it also, if you look at this box, if you kind of see the texture here, I think it got a little wet too. But the good thing, and this is what I want to show you, and we're going to find out if this actually survived. The good thing is that this set is surrounded in bubble wrap. So if it did get wet, I think we're going to be okay there. What I'm